Let me start with a simple observation. Indian budgets have always mentioned tourism, but mostly as a supporting sector. As someone who runs a travel management company, I read budgets for one thing only. Do they improve how travel actually works on the ground? This budget is interesting because for the first time in a while, it tries to move tourism beyond infrastructure and into experience and service quality. That alone makes it worth analyzing. Earlier budgets were infrastructure heavy. Destinations, circuits, connectivity, and the assumption was simple: build more, tourism will grow. What remained relatively underaddressed was the experience layer. What happens after the traveler arrives? This budget attempts to correct that imbalance. Let me now quickly summarize the key travel-related measures. First, people and skills. Hospitality training is proposed to be upgraded through a National Institute of Hospitality, and 10,000 tourist guides are to be trained across 20 destinations. Both directly target service quality and on-ground experience. Second, knowledge and experience design. A national destination digital knowledge grid has been proposed along with the push for experiential tourism. This includes trekking trails, wildlife and birding circuits, turtle nesting trails, and the development of 15 heritage sites as experiential destinations. Third, specialized tourism and connectivity. The budget proposes 5 medical tourism hubs, along with long-term connectivity enablers such as high-speed rail corridors, expanded waterways, and seaplane initiatives for the last-mile access. One change will be felt immediately. Earlier, overseas tour packages attracted 5% TCS, and for the trip above 7 lakhs, TCS increased to 20%. This created significant booking friction and cash blockage. This budget reduces TCS on overseas tour packages to a flat 2%. That directly improves cash flow, reduces hesitation at the booking stage, and smoothens outbound travel demand. Baggage and personal duties also have been rationalized, which improves airport experience and post-travel sentiments. What makes this budget different is not the number of announcements. It is the direction. Tourism is finally being seen as a service-led industry, not just a movement of people. By focusing on skills, storytelling, knowledge, and experience design, this budget addresses the softer layers where the tourism actually breaks. If implemented well, this can improve repeat travel, higher spending per tourist, and global perception of Indian tourism. One structural gap still remains. There is still no comprehensive framework for the travel trade itself. Accreditation, accountability, and consumer trust mechanisms are still missing at a system level. Without that, quality will continue to vary. So here is a clear verdict. Earlier budgets built tourism around infrastructure. This budget tries to strengthen tourism around experience. That is the right direction. Execution will decide everything. If intent translates into delivery, this budget can quietly strengthen Indian tourism over the next few years. If not, it becomes another well-written policy document. Tourism does not need louder promotion, it needs better delivery.